Take control of your SEO strategy with our comprehensive guide to Google's December 2022 link spam update. Read on to find out more. If you are an SEO expert, you are probably already aware of the upcoming December 2022 update from Google. The update is designed to crack down on link building strategies that violate the company's webmaster guidelines. In this blog post, we will take a closer look at the update and explore ways to avoid any negative impact it might have. We will also discuss some on-page SEO strategies that can help you achieve quality website rankings. By the end of this post, you should have a more profound understanding of Google's December 2022 link spam update and what you can do to prepare for it. Avoiding negative impact of Google's December link spam update in December 2022. Google implemented a minor update known as the December link spam update. This update aimed to target websites involved in link farms and other spammy activities, including guest posts and link building. Links from these sites would be identified and discounted, resulting in a decrease in ranking for those links and associated domains. To avoid being affected by this update, it is crucial to carefully build links, ensuring they come from reputable sources that are relevant to the topic at hand. Investing in high-quality content can yield better results than buying links for short-term benefits. However, companies may have different strategies than individual bloggers due to their larger operations. Ultimately, understanding organic SEO practices can lead to success, even when faced with occasional algorithm updates like the December link spam update. Website owners and bloggers should also regularly stay informed about current trends in search engine optimization to stay ahead of potential issues caused by changes made by search engines over time. Taking time each week or month to review webmaster guidelines and best practices regarding content optimization can help ensure that your website remains compliant with current standards while minimizing negative impacts caused by algorithm changes. One example is Googling December link spam update last year. As a website owner or creator, you may be familiar with the concept of SEO and its importance for your website's ranking. With Google's December link spam update, it has become even more critical to understand the difference between off-page versus on-page SEO strategies and how they can impact your overall success. Off-page SEO is an important factor for website success, but individual bloggers don't need to spend money buying links from external sources to get higher rankings. Prioritizing user experience and high-quality content creation alone can lead to higher rankings and search results. On-page optimization, such as optimized titles, meta descriptions, headings, and keywords, supplemented with a content strategy, is enough to get higher rankings without necessarily focusing on off-page SEO tactics, such as link building or guest blogging. The recent dramatic increase in link spam has brought much attention to the importance of quality over quantity when it comes to backlinks from external sources. For webmasters who utilize automated tools for link building purposes, they must read up on Google's webmaster guidelines before proceeding with any backlinking activities, or risk their site's ranking in search engine result pages (SERPs). Ultimately, whether you're a novice looking to get started with basic SEO strategies or an experienced marketer seeking more advanced techniques, understanding the basics of on-page SEO is essential if you want your site's content to consistently appear in SERP listings. Google's December 2022 link spam update has drawn significant attention to the significance of quality, rather than quantity in terms of acquiring backlinks from external sources. Although off-page SEO holds value, it is crucial for website owners and bloggers to prioritize user experience and the creation of high-quality content to improve their search result rankings. By understanding organic SEO practices, you can ensure compliance with current standards and minimize any negative impacts brought about by algorithm changes such as Google's December link spam update. To kickstart your on-page SEO efforts, it is recommended that you familiarize yourself with Google's webmaster guidelines, develop top-notch content, and optimize titles, meta descriptions, headings, and keywords on your website to achieve success.